We're gonna be eating the fish, Samanco.
And we got this from the Asian market.
I got the green tea.
And I got the
Strawberry. We're gonna open it.
And we got this from the Asian market, and Toys R Us used to be in the Asian market before.
3, 2, 1, go. Open it.
Oh, bro, how can I open this?
Oh, good. Fishy. The green tea's coming out, and it's so icy.
3, 2, 1, go!
That's good. The green tea. That's
The
good.
white one's vanilla. This is strawberry vanilla.
It has caramel too?
Yeah. The green tea is a special one. Want some more? Fishy.
I can't believe that this is so tasty.
I don't know how to make fishes.
What do you rate it?
You gotta try this. This is so good. It's a 12 out of 10.
You have to get it from the Asian market.
Until next time.
Bye.